Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the font that I decided to use, and I'm working in Design Space. So I'm just resizing it to the size I want it to be on the t-shirt. Once you decide how you would like your design to look, it's time to make the image. So you need to mirror the image in order for it to print correctly, because you need it to be backwards, so when it prints you can place it on your shirt and it will be in the right direction. So now it's just setting up the Cricut for the print of the vinyl. I'm using the Strong Bond Cricut Everyday Iron-On, and I'm going to use the black color. So I just add the vinyl onto my mat and I press the print button on the Cricut to print out the image. Once it's done, I'm just now going to cut out only the part of the vinyl that has the image that I would like to use. Now I'm just going to peel back the vinyl off of the clear plastic, and this is pretty strong. It's kind of tough to pull, but just try to be careful and make sure you don't rip any of the letters. So this is my first time doing this project and using my Cricut, so this may not be the best tutorial or explanation. I just wanted to at least come and show you how the process went in me making my own Locaversary t-shirt. Now I'm just going to take my weeding tool and I'm going to start to weed out the parts of the letters that are still covered by some of the vinyl. Once you have everything cleared out and the image is ready, you just need to add it on to the center of your t-shirt, and I eyeballed this. If you're not able to, you can use some chalk and a ruler to help you line it up in the center. So I don't have a heat press, so I'm going to use my iron, and underneath the t-shirt I added this heat resistant mat. And you will need some type of cloth. I'm using a pillowcase to iron on top of the image. So you just place the pillowcase on top and you kind of glide the iron on top of it. Now I made the mistake of having my iron too hot, so as you can see the plastic isn't there anymore because I had so many trials and errors in trying to get this to stick onto the t-shirt. So I don't have the image of me removing the plastic, but I had to try a few times because the iron was way too hot. So I suggest putting it on a middle setting, maybe a 3 or 4. But once everything is adhered to the t-shirt, that is pretty much it, and you have your own Locaversary tee. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.